guys, Mia here. Today I'm making another video of using Arduino, and I used ultrasonic sensor, and it's a simple radar project. I used the ultrasonic sensor and the Arduino, and I connected to the ultrasonic sensor. I'll tell you about the red LED light and the green LED light. What does it represents? Do you know that red tape right there? In here is the danger zone, and here is the safe zone. If this object crosses the danger zone, the red light is going to light up. If it is behind the danger zone, the green light is gonna light up. I'll show you right now how it works. I have the object there. Now I'm gonna move it inside the danger zone. Now the red light is lighting up. The red light is lighting up. When I move it back, now the green light lights up. This is the project I did. If you want to know what program I used, you have to look at my blog. If you don't know my blog, look at the link in the description below. This is the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.